Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Komisi bentaban yo no ya jingmenjor na bentaban itu ya Ktien Khasi hapo ka kernit bapra jonggariti sensyar gari India ka menteri sorkar bapet ya katanat ka koit ka khia ka Dr. Maisel Amperin Lengdo kala kentu ya baro ki Seng Sain Pyrthei hapo ka jela Meghalaya baki Dewan ai ka Kyrshan ya Ktien Khasi khanang bakan rung hapo ka thop na pedeng laipu pratali ki wei pat ki jai Ktien na keleng gari India. Habaya keren bat kilat patai kubor ka Dr. Maisel Amperin Lengdo kalapan sngau ba manla ka wei pa ka wei ka Seng Sain Pyrthei ki badon hapo ka jela ki Dewan ai ka Kyrshan ha ka baya debat ka ni kamat. Shusho ka Dr. Amperin kalaya tu ba ka jela Meghalaya ka dei ka jela ka barit ka badon tang arngut ki MP kumta Donkam ya ka Kyrshan barat ba.
Being a leader in the state, having my own understanding of this entire situation, we reiterate that just about 1.5-2 months back, we had already met the Honorable Prime Minister of the Government of India, presenting to him a memorandum of matters and agendas still remaining unresolved for the state of Meghalaya. And one such matter indicated in the memorandum was the inclusion of Khasi language in the 8th schedule. As per the seminar that transpired in the capital city of Delhi, we have been made to understand that 38 languages are now being listed and have been forwarded to the Department of Language for its consideration for yet another amendment of the 8th schedule. Apparently in the past, I could understand that in 1992 there was one amendment where few languages were amended. Subsequently in the year 2002-2003 apparently another amendment was initiated, and the department has now forwarded the same to the government of India in its own line department. Now knowing this, that Khasi of the state, indigenous language of the state of Meghalaya, is one of the 38 listed languages that are awaiting the assent for submission of amendment to the Parliament, both the Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha. Looks like we have now qualified, having completed all procedures and criterions for the recognition of Khasi language, which means we are nearing to our goal. At this point of time, my personal opinion is, with the Parliament now in a mood to dissolve and likely not to have more sessions till the next general state election of the country, likely it would be fit for us to follow up on this matter when the next Parliament reconvenes and meets post-election 2024. However, till now, there seems no scope or possibility of this matter being taken up in the Parliament, because a special session was already just called and just concluded, where whatever bills and amendments that were proposed have already been proposed, as we have seen. We are now aware of the 33% women reservation bill, which has received its assent in the Lok Sabha as well as in the Rajya Sabha, as well as from the Honorable President of the country. We've also seen that they are now discussing another very important agenda, which is one nation, one election. Looks like there will be no further amendment in the immediate future. We were also informed in the seminar, where we had threadbare discussion, that the indigenous language of Khasi, of the people of the state of Meghalaya, has conformed to all necessary queries from the government of India. Which means that now the government of India should not still send back the document asking for further information and further explanations from us as a state. So as far as I understand, I think that we are in quite a positive position. We should put all the pressure to ensure that political parties in this country recognize the indigenous languages of the people of various states of India. 38 of them are there. I don't have access to this list. But whatever will be that language, if amendments were done in the past, Government of India should not shy away from this. And my fervent appeal to all political parties contesting in the parliament election slated for 2024. This should be an important agenda and an item in everybody's manifesto. All political parties going for elections in the 2024 general elections of this country should have a support for the recognition and the amendment of the 8th schedule for any language that has already qualified and is in the list. And I feel that if every political party supports our agenda, we get collaborative support, which is necessary. We are a small state with 2 MPs. Very unlikely that any private member's bill or any other form of presentation of agendas in the parliament, very unlikely that they will get the support because we have bigger states with bigger numbers of MPs. So I feel that it is important for us to collaborate together. This goes beyond a regional sphere, because I don't, I think that only few languages have been already listed. So if you say that is Khasi spoken widely in the country, I would say yes, because again the Khasi Authors Society has indicated that not less than 15 lakh people in this country and in neighboring countries of Bangladesh speak the Khasi language. We have qualified there as well. So this is a matter of pride for India to generate this support to all indigenous languages of the nation, which will become extinct if Government of India does not lend the necessary support we require. So therefore I appeal to all political parties to make it important and in their manifesto particularly mention that if amendments were done in the past to amend the 8th schedule, I don't see why we should not do it again.